Hello, this is Luis from TNH Group, and today I will share a concept with you that is very cool. What this concept broken down is, it's a way to take you, the viewer/customer, onto a journey of painting your mini with provider tools. Sounds kinda cool, right? It very much is. This is currently still in the planning phase, but the series of videos already has a structural guide, and as I'm writing this, script is getting fleshed out. For which minis will I get a painting video guide? For most of the minis that I'm allowed to sell. I will start with some bread and butter minis like skeletons, zombies and the occasional giant eagle, but once I feel confident, we will tackle busts and other things. How will these videos be structured? They will be structured in a way that you can understand and easily follow along. A comprehensive guide to painting that particular miniature, if you will. They will have a basing part and a miniature painting part, and then I will glue them onto the base at the end. I'm going to try mentioning not only the paints that I sell, but also other paint brands that you can use, but your result may differ. Also, there will be references to my shop and other videos I have produced because it's my job as the owner of the business to make money, and when I can combine marketing with instructions, I'm going to do that. Where do I get everything? The plan is to provide everything you need to paint a mini that you have purchased from me. That starts with primer and colors and ends with basic materials. Yes, basing is included in the painting video guide, as I will call these type of videos. I will try my best to have everything available in my shop, as in my eBay store, maybe Etsy, and definitely on my website. I want to provide even a wet painted solution and some other knickknacks. And all of that for a fair price, of course. That is my way of doing things. Will there be bundles? Paints will be available in bundles like Basic Fantasy Starter Set with some green, browns and metallics. That is of course to change. There will be specifically tailored sets for each mini that there is a video of. So for example, if there's a video of me painting a red dragon, you can find a paint and basing kit for that in my shop. These are separate or in a bundle available. I will try to make these combinations clever and colored doubles, but everything is always listed in the product description, so please read that carefully. Can I buy variations and combinations of your product? You as the customer will have full control over what you buy. Whether you just want the bare bones mini, a primed one or the full kit, you can get that in my shop. That also means that there will be painted minis available in my shop for minis that I have already covered. For some minis there will be 2 paint jobs shown. These will be minis that are more grand than your average skeleton, like an ancient red dragon for example. The first paint job will be from me in your typical fashion, and then there will be a pro version, which a buddy of mine paints, but that is 1 expensive and 2 time consuming, and we both do that as a side hustle, so please bear with us. When will these videos come out? I'm going to try to make them a regular part of my uploading schedule, which I kinda don't have. The business vlogs/weekly vlogs are usually uploaded on Fridays at 1 p.m. CET or Berlin time zone. Painting videos will follow a set schedule, but that has yet to be determined, but will be laid out for you. I will produce some and then start uploading once I have like a month worth of videos, so they are not a disappointment from the get-go. Not everything starts strong. On another note, earlier videos will not include the basing part because I currently lack the materials and money to provide that, but they will be added once that is taken care of. Please bear with me on this, but I'm trying to change that as soon as possible. Sadly, my parents aren't filthy rich, so I can buy everything I want, but earning all of this will make it feel much better when this gets bigger. So that's everything for today. If you have questions or something to say, please feel free to comment that. DM me or on my socials, or write me an email. Everything for that is in the video description. I hope I will be able to fulfill my vision that I have for this and that you like it. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next video. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.